Wanton bands, muscle cars, and hot rods. There's a sexy lady in a 1925 Ford T-Bucket. Sassy looking babe here in a 1935 Ford 3-window coupe hot rod. Wowzer, there's a pretty girl in a 1945 Chevrolet pickup. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. Sweet lady here in a 1955 Ford F-100 pickup. Woo-wee! Here's sizzling beauty in a 1965 Chevelle that wins the Triple Crown. Please don't forget to donate. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.